Today, we will explore the Woodpecker Method, a technique used by many grandmasters to earn their titles. I recommend watching the Chessable video on this topic afterward. The method involves selecting 100 to 1,000 puzzles to solve repeatedly. You'll tackle these puzzles over a week, then in progressively shorter intervals: 6 days, 5 days, 4 days, 3 days, 2 days, and finally, all in one day. While it may seem repetitive to solve the same puzzles instead of trying new ones, the goal is to train your brain to recognize familiar patterns, making it easier to identify tactics during games. Now that you know the Woodpecker Method, before you leave and watch Chessable's video, try to solve this puzzle. Or don't. Anyways, thanks for watching.